Hi yo YouTubers, this is Superman G come back at you one more again. And I want to first apologize if there is any sound of cars and trucks in this video. I live next to a highway and the vehicles can be pretty loud at times. So I'll do my best to filter out any of those sounds during the editing of this video, but if you still hear it, then I apologize. So this is an unboxing of the Roccat Elo 7.1 Air Wireless Surround Sound RGB gaming headset. I came across this headset at Lenovo's website after I purchased the Lenovo 5 laptop and figured that it would be a good combination to match up with the laptop. Although headsets are best used for gaming, they can also be used for chatting on Discord or Skype or any other audio-video programs or apps. Now, also to point out that this headset has been auto-tuned by Turtle Beach, which is a well-known gaming audio franchise. So let's do this. So inside the box, you have the quick start guide. There's the USB Type-C charging cable, the USB-A transmitter, the microphone, and the Roccat wireless headset itself. On one side of the headset, you have on-ear audio controls. There's the headset volume. There's the microphone volume. There's the mute button for the microphone. The power button. And a charging port for the charging cable. The symbol on this side is where the RGB happens. To attach the microphone, you just push it on to the connecting port until it secures in place. From there, you can adjust the microphone to your desired position. It's very easy to move. It's not tough or hard or anything like that. It's very simple to move. The weight of this headset is very minimal and not heavy. The ear cups are memory foam, very soft to the touch. And they are also on these rotating hinges, so you can rotate them. The metal headband is adjustable, self-adjusting with a cushion for when it's resting on top of your head. This headset has a long life 24-hour battery that provides the average gamer with over a week of playtime, featuring data transmissions as good as wired with stellar wireless technology, hassle-free and dependable in any situation. Switch on superhuman hearing for stereo or 7.1 modes to boost critical in-game sound. With a combination of 7.1 surround sound, 50mm drivers, and superhuman hearing, be ready to have an unfair advantage over your competition. If you think this is a headset you are interested in, look for the link in the description below this video. That concludes this unboxing. Thank you for watching. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.